Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Back up your Mac, verify the Mac OS version, and have your Apple ID and 2FA device ready. Open System Settings, click your name, then Apple ID. Once there, locate Find My and toggle off Find My Mac. You'll be prompted for your Apple ID password and a 2FA code if enabled. Enter those to proceed. Make sure File Vault is off if asked. Some Mac OS versions require unlocking before removing the account. Now you'll perform the account removal. In System Settings under Apple ID, choose Sign Out. You'll be asked whether to keep a copy of contacts, calendars, and Safari data on this Mac. Decide based on your backup. Enter the Apple ID password when prompted to disable activation lock. Next, open Messages and FaceTime to sign out of those services separately, and deauthorize the Mac and Music/TV apps. If needed, so purchases no longer tie to. Finish by restarting the Mac and confirming the Apple ID is gone from System Settings. Check iCloud services no longer sync. If activation lock remains, sign into Appleid. Apple.com, find devices, and remove this Mac from the list. Make sure you erased any local iCloud data you didn't keep. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't disable Find My Mac due to missing password or 2FA, start Apple account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This resolves most lockout cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.